In this video, I will show how to draw a box around text in Microsoft Word. So very simple and easy way. Firstly, select your text. In paragraph section, click here and select all border. Here, click on all border. You can draw the border for word, sentence, or for paragraph. Firstly, select here all border and you can enter the border like this. And you can customize this border thickness, color, and all settings you will find here. This border and shading. You can change border style, thickness, color, and click on OK. Also, you can type the border around a letter using this same method. So thanks for watching.